Impasse.
Welcome to the initial course Iki, Magic Before Magic, where you will learn the fundamentals about magic and how to feel the subtle sensations that we are involved in rituals. Lesson 1, Moving the Energy. It's no use using the right ingredients, the right time and the right day in a ritual, or any magical act, if you don't understand about energy. Energy is often mentioned when we talk about magic, but it is rarely understood. In terms of the occult sciences, energy is a force that cannot be measured. Man has his own energy. Stones, plants, animals, planets, metals among others also have it. In many cultures it is identified as chi, ki, ash or prana. You can feel it as you bring your hands to people. Energy moves through your body. You can attract energies from outside and make them circulate within you. It can exchange energies with plants, animals or stones. You can also use your body to circulate energy in a ritual space. Exercise 1. Feeling the energy in your hands. Place your hands facing each other at chest height. Feel the energy between your hands. Start by practicing 3 1-minute sessions on the first day. 3 sessions of 2 minutes on the second day. Increase by 1 minute each day. Practice for 1 week. Write in your black book the experiences of all the exercises, even the ones where you didn't feel anything. Exercise 2. Feeling the energy of others. Ask a friend to stay close to you. Close your eyes and place your hands next to your friend's head. Give yourself time to feel his energy. If you don't feel anything, no problem. It takes time to feel the presence of ki. People use a lot of physical analogy to describe the presence of this energy: color or glow, pressure in the hands, tingling or heat, vibration or texture. Just as the physical body has organs and blood vessels, the energy body has chakras, energy centers. The energy, or subtle body, also has a skin, the aura. Energy is constantly circulating within the energy body. We observe it, donate it, use it in activities and replenish it. Health counts a lot in energy matters. If the physical body is full of junk, the energy body will be too. But that doesn't mean you can't do the exercises you should. Now put your energy to circulate and it will cleanse the physical body as well. There are psychosomatic illnesses that originate in the energy body. A good example is found in the film/book Na Solar, by Chico Xavier, where the protagonist of the story dies of natural causes, but in the astral world it is considered suicide, because when we mistreat the energy body, we are also mistreating the physical body. Most of the energy work involves the spine. This is a shortcut to the center of the body, which runs from the head to the feet. The chakras are located along the spine and the meridians extend from the central spine and branch along the limbs. Exercise 3. Be aware of your breath. Sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor cross-legged. Find your pulse by touching your wrist or neck. Now inhale for 4 beats, hold the breath for 2 and exhale for 4, holding the breath again for 2 beats. Repeat the procedure 4 times. Exercise 4. Centering. Sit in a comfortable chair, preferably one with a straight back. Put your feet on the floor and let your hands rest on your lap. Close your eyes and listen to your heartbeat. Synchronize your breathing with your heartbeat. Inhale for 4 beats, hold for 4 beats, exhale for 4 beats and hold for 4 beats before inhaling again. When performing this practice, inhale and exhale through your nose, keeping the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Slowly slow down your breathing and you will find that your mind will relax. Continue until you feel calm and relaxed, a nice warm feeling in your belly. You may be surprised the first time you do it. You may find that your heart rate is slowing down. Don't be scared and keep counting. You will notice that you are breathing too fast or too slow, following your heart rate. We can use our breath to bring a specific type of energy into the body. We can use rhythmic breathing to time a certain operation. Just as air is vital to our survival, it can be a messenger for the more subtle energy we will work with. Our energy is directly linked to the energy of the earth and the sun. We live in the field of action of the earth. We imagine ourselves walking on the earth, when we are actually inside it, as we move through its atmosphere, which we recently discovered expands up to 4 times the distance between us and the moon. This energy surrounds us and sustains us. We can learn to consciously direct the earth's energy within us. This serves as an immediate source of energy when we are tired. Likewise, we can learn to draw excess energy from our bodies through the process of grounding. Grounding consists of seeking energetic balance with the earth. If we're low on energy, we can take it out of the earth, and if we're high on energy, which is making us agitated, we can discharge it. Exercise 5. Touching the earth. Stand barefoot on your ground. Feel the earth energy entering your feet into your body, up your legs, up your spine and filling your entire head. Now push this energy from the top of your head, through your spine, legs and into the floor. Landing is half the process of landing and centering. Centering means discovering where your body's energy is, and then starting a whole movement of the body and energy for a sense of calm and strength. The easiest way to center is to focus on a part of the body called the point 1 or tan tien. It is a point on the abdomen, about 3 finger widths below the belly button. Point 1 is very suitable for starting and ending energy circulation. Exercise 6. Finding your center. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Slightly bend your knees. Fix your attention on point 1. Now, rock back and forth. Let the swing slow until you balance and stop. Do the same from side to side. We can move energy in and out of the body through the soles of our feet. We can also give and receive energies through the top of the head. The next exercise trains us to absorb the earth's energy and circulate it. It also helps to purify and balance the body's energy. Exercise 7. Tree. Feel and visualize the energy moving outward, as if it were roots coming out of your point 1, down your legs, to the soles of your feet. Now push these roots down into the earth. Keep pushing as far into the earth as you can, until it comes to a natural stop. When you have reached a comfortable depth, visualize and feel the energy moving upward, up through your roots, through the soles of your feet, and into your point 1. Next, feel and visualize the energy moving up your spine to the top of your head, and then somewhat beyond to a chakra or globe located a few inches from your head. Let the energy overflow from this center and spill all around you and return down into the earth. You are circulating the earth energy through your roots, out through the top of your head and back through your roots again. When you are done, let the energy fall back down the spine to point 1. Gradually feel and visualize your roots rising back up from the earth, through the soles of your feet and back to point 1. We naturally extract energy from the earth. Like all other living things, we also draw energy from the sun and, to a lesser extent, the moon. We can also learn to consciously circulate solar and lunar energies through bodily energy. Exercise 8. Sun/Moon. Stand where you can see the sun or moon. And even better, if the light can touch your skin. Now visualize and feel the energy center just above your head. Visualize and feel moonlight/sunlight entering this center. Lead it through the column to your point 1. From there, push the energy out, along your arms and along your legs. Feel the energy filling your body. When you are done, let the energy move down your legs, through the soles of your feet and into the earth. Once we've stocked up on energy, we can either use it for magical work or we can return it to earth. We do not return the energy of the sun and moon by pushing it out, through the column, back into the sky. Since we generate more energy than we can use in an exercise, the best thing to do is to push it down and return it to Earth. There are two reasons for this. First, moving energy through the spine is safer for the human body as it tends to balance and calm your energy. In addition, the human body is more attuned to the energy of the Earth and belonging to its field. We can absorb energy from the planets, but it is much more difficult to exchange energy and return it. It will still be moving through the Earth's energy field. Then to backfill the excess, we bury it. Like the exercises in this module, we will begin to take conscious control of the body's energy. This was our first class. We covered exercises involving our Iki and the feeling of sensing Iki in others. Although these exercises are, for some, something simple and less attractive, it is important to focus well on all the subtlety that it causes, because more complex exercises will be discussed later, but that involve the mastery of these simple exercises. Leave in the comments what you felt in each exercise. Your feedback is very important to us. Don't forget to share, like, and, if you like our content, consider joining our group of members or supporting our channel. Support links in the description.
Impasse veni, impasse vado.